Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to tell you about a new feature that Snapchat has introduced, which is called My Places. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. But first of all, you need to go to your Play Store or your App Store on your device and search Snapchat and make sure that your application is updated, because this is a latest feature. So if your application is not updated, maybe that will not work on your application. So guys, once you're done with the update, you need to tap on open. So guys, once your application is open, all you need to tap on the location at the bottom left corner. Once you tap on that one, so guys, if you remember in the beginning, once you tap on your location, so you can only see your Bitmoji on the map if you're not on the ghost mode. So you can see your Bitmoji on the map. But guys, right now, if you see in the middle of the screen at the bottom, you will find the option places. So guys, if you tap on the places, so here you will find My Places and you will find the popular places on the map which existing. You can tap on the favorite one and you can tap on the visited one. So the favorite one are those that you already favorited them. Like if I tap on the popular one and here is the list, or you visited a place and you can just tap on the heart icon next to it. So once you tap on that one, it will be added to your list of favorite places. So I will show you that if I tap on here, as you can see, the place is already added to the favorite one. The visited one is, it works the same way like the Google Maps. When you visited a place, so it will add you to the places that you already visited. You can review the places as well, the ones you have visited to those places, so it will appear here. Right now, as you can see, there are not much on the map because maybe this feature is not used by many people right now because it's a new feature. So in the future you will find places, and in the recent article Snapchat also revealed that maybe in the future you can use this option to even purchase products from different outlets on the map. So this is in their pipeline for the future planning, but right now you can use these places. Like you want to find any restaurant, any coffee shop, anything that you can find it here. So guys, the next thing that I want to tell you, that if you tap on any of the location, if you tap on any of the location here, you will find that you can make it your favorite location just tapping on the heart, or you can just tap on the navigation option. So it will take you to the direction and from there you can navigate to that place. So this is an option as well. Just tap on that one, or maybe Google Maps or another application which is available on your device, then you can use that one to get the directions. The next thing is that you can tap on send. So guys, once you tap on send, you can also send this location to your friends on Snapchat. So here are the reviews as well. As you can see there, the people are reviewing it. You can find the reviews here at the bottom. So it will help you to select a place that you want to go. So it's similar like what Google Maps are doing or other applications which are available for the similar features. So guys, this is all it takes to use the new feature My Places on Snapchat application. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future notification. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Switch.